Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. This is probably at least one of the coolest trucks that we have built ever. This is a donut truck for a company in Arizona. It's not wrapped yet because they're going to wrap it themselves. Goes from this side. Well, it used to be an Amazon delivery truck. We of course put our generator box inside, and the generator box has a 12 kilowatt Cummins generator. Shore power connection. Place where you fill water. That's actually the grey water tank that you see at the bottom, and that's how you would drain the water. This is actually the business end of the truck, literally. Idea is that there would be merchandise here at the bottom, all the way around, and donuts in these donut racks inside. And here in this refrigerator, merchandise refrigerator that you'll be able to access from the outside, would be some drinks. This is, you can actually see how thick it is. It's 3/4 inch plexiglass, so it doesn't buckle or whatever. Now, code requires that in Sedona, the code requires that it cannot be open, so it has these openable shutters, which are also made of plexiglass. Oh, I forgot to show you. There are light strips, LED light strips on the inside. RV door in the back. This is where you'd keep donut, pans that are being prepped, basically. Water heater. The floor is rubber, so they wanted to be one single sheet of rubber that they can wash. Hand wash sink with splash guards. Towel dispenser, soap dispenser. Right there is a refrigerator. Generator box. Now you would see that this wall is not stainless, it's actually wood. See how craftsmanship, of course, obviously be very proud of it. Is how you flip from the generator power to the shore power, the transfer box as it's called. As every piece of equipment has its own breaker. Notice how it's been painted white to match with the rest of the truck. We did the same thing with the cables as well. Now all the wiring is in conduits, as always. It has a AC on top and 3 LED lights on the inside. 16-foot truck. AC controls. These walls are all steel, powder coated steel. Let's go for shelf as well. There's actually a few custom shelves that we made on the outside as well. I'll show you that at the end of the tour. Right there. They of course pop right up, and they'll stay for more merchandise, that kind of stuff. This awning can be closed for transit, and there are these, you can get windy there, so these will keep it nice and strong. That brings us to the tour of this beautiful donut truck that we are shipping off to Arizona. If you have any questions, or if you would like something like this yourself, please do contact us through our website, 16ft.foodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.